So we've made it to the Raleigh Airport. We encountered quite a bit of traffic along the way, and I'm sitting outside. I am currently sitting outside of the terminal because Ben forgot his wallet in the car, so we had to take the shuttle back to go find his wallet. See you later.
All right, so I found a quiet part of the airport to kind of explain what we're doing today. Today we're actually taking our second trip back to Iceland. This time we're hoping to go back and see the south side of Iceland. Last time when we were there, we were only able to see the north side of Iceland. That's about all the time that we had. We're not getting all the way through the south side of Iceland, but we are going to see a major portion of it. And we're going to a little unique little spot about halfway through the trip. So stay tuned for that one in some of the future videos that we post. So tonight we kind of have a red-eye flight. We leave here at about 8:30 and we get to Iceland about 6:30. So hopefully we get some sleep on the plane. So I made like 2 major mistakes today. I've been like triple whammied. You know, we ended up getting like randomly selected at TSA. I forgot my wallet in the truck and had to go back to the parking lot to get it. And then also like our bags got randomly selected. So we've had quite an adventure getting to the airport today. Hopefully the rest of the flight goes smoothly. Fingers crossed. All right, that's it for this airport. Hopefully I'll get the rest when we get back on the airplane.
Good evening, dear passengers. Welcome on board your captain, Mr. Árnason. With me on the flight deck, Mr. Guðmundsson, my co-pilot. No, we are just about ready for pushback. Should be pushing back in the next 5 to 10 minutes or so. Well, possible light is still means good visibility. Partly cloudy, temperatures of 6 degrees on the Fahrenheit scale. And on behalf of Iceland RDU, I'd like to work and serve the flight for thank you for seeing Iceland. Bye-bye.
Dear passengers, welcome to Iceland from the home of Iceland Air. And the local time is 20 minutes to 7.
Hi. We made it. Made it to Reykjavik. We're going to get breakfast because we're all really hungry. It's good. So we just finished breakfast. I had shakshuka, and then we then had a waffle with fruit. And now we're going to go see a volcano. We're going to try to hike up to it and stay awake because we got like 0 sleep on our overnight flight. So we'll see you there.
Alrighty, so we are here at the Scully volcano. So we're here at the volcano. We're gonna take a hike up to one of the top lookouts. I don't think the eruption is still going on. This was an eruption that kind of started in 2020. It kind of occasionally continues. So today we're gonna go up to the top and see what we can see. We might even get some drone footage.
Nice.
Yeah, it's pretty cool out here, pretty windy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
A little bright.
I don't know if, yeah, I was gonna say, I don't know if they have this, like, they have like mountain goat, normal people, mountain goat, normal people, something like that.
I am not a mountain goat. Very steep.
It's difficult.
But it's pretty.
So we're attempting to climb to the top of this little outlook here. I think we're on Route C. I believe we can see part of the volcano. If not, I'll try to put the drone up so we can see at least something. I don't know, we'll give it a shot.
So we're sitting here and Ben's flying the drone. We're sitting here by the lava fields, and from up top of the hike, the lava fields look huge, but when you're down like next to them or on them in some cases, you really see how much lava has flown out of this volcano. In some places there's like 20, it has to be 20 to 30 feet deep, and it's all solidified by now, and it's you see all the textures and all the ways that it flowed, and it's just cool. I don't know, but you really get a sense of just big and how big of an effect that these natural disasters have on the environment. I don't know, it's just cool.
All right, so I think that we're gonna head back to Reykjavik. We might grab something to eat on the way back, or we might just wait to Reykjavik and see what we can find there. I think we're also gonna try to check into our hotel. It's only like 1 o'clock now. It's gonna take us like another 50 minutes to get back, so it's kind of before the 3 o'clock check-in, but hopefully they'll let us check in early so that maybe we can take a nap and then go out later today. All right, we'll see you back at the car.
We made it to our hotel. We're actually staying at the same place that we started our trip in last time we were in Iceland. So the first day or so of our trip kind of looks similar, but the rest of the days will be very different from last time. So I'll give you just a quick little pan of the room because it is a small room, but that's standard. But it is a nice room. So going to get dinner. We were so tired. We took a nap. We took a nap, and that was a mistake.
We're pretty toast, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
They probably can't see us. I think it's way too dark in here. Goodbye. So we went to this place called like 101 Reykjavik Street Food. If I can find it, we'll just like write it down here. It was okay. It was kind of like fish and chips. One of the interesting things about the menu was everything was priced exactly the same. So it made like, when it came to the bill, it just asked like how many items that you had, and then they just calculated the bill that way. So that was pretty neat. That's pretty neat. So we kind of really didn't end the vlog. Sorry, I kind of did this like whole like little elevator thing. Like I was gonna go out and get a bunch of footage, but it started raining, so we really didn't do too much. So I'm also feeling really jet lagged. I'm starting to really feel the time difference, and getting about 2 hours of sleep last night is really kind of starting to make things get a little weird. So We're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. It's actually 9 p.m. right now, and you can actually see, actually, is it? Yeah, it's like 9:30. You can actually see how bright it is still out at 9:30. So we're gonna get up early tomorrow, and I think we're gonna try to go to the Golden Circle and a few other things. Kayla and I have been before, but my parents have not, so we're gonna try to take them. Alrighty, I think that's it. We will see you on the next video. The jet lag is really getting to me, and I'm really starting to feel it. But this lamp is pretty cool. So it's not like a...
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, this is great.
Go for it.
We are just gonna head down. We're gonna go walk near the lava flow. I mean, it's hardened. What is that called? Well, I mean, what's the hardened version called?